back with another video. Yes, sir. Welcome to the new crib, man. As you can see, I'm in the new house for 2023, man. I want to thank y'all. Without y'all support, without getting me to 1K, I wouldn't have all of this. You know what I mean? So I appreciate y'all for giving me 1K. Stay tuned. You know what I mean? We're gonna do the new house tour. So look, take it over here. Got the desk right here, you know, this is where I'm gonna do all my streaming, you know what I mean, GTA, fucking God of War, all type of games, you know what I mean, reaction videos, all type of stuff. So this is gonna be my streaming setup, you know what I mean, and we got the kitchen. I don't really like the kitchen right now, but I'm a DIY the kitchen, so this is the before, just wait for the after. Make sure y'all stay tuned, hit the like button, subscribe. It's your boy Pree, and we going up. Alright, let's go in that room. Let's get out AC unit, closet space. AC unit. Have a bathroom. You know, get that quick look in that bathroom. You know, like I said again, I'm a DIY this whole thing. So y'all gonna get the before and after. This just the before. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. Then you got the small room. Small room. You know, not much in here. There's a lot of closet space.
God damn.
Yeah, it's a lot of space.
Yeah, man, only closet space.
Yeah, then you got my room, you know what I mean? We got my room, a dresser bed, you know what I mean? A bathroom in here. So everything's gonna get DIY. Yeah, man, it's your boy. It's your boy. We going up. 2023. We need a little bit of the vision, you know what I mean? So, like I said, we got my streaming table, desktop over there, you know what I mean? Then we gonna have TV on the wall, TV stand, couch over there, section on couch, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, we gonna turn up 2023. There's a lot of new stuff. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Can't say it enough, you know what I mean? 2023, look, last year I promised y'all everything gonna be lit. So everything gonna be lit this year, you know what I mean? So follow me on Twitch, because that's how you're gonna see all my streaming when I start streaming and stuff like that. The link's gonna be in the description, so make sure you follow me over there. And yeah, man.
Moving troubles.
Yep, this is what happens when you don't have a moving truck. You know what I mean? A U-Haul, you just gotta pack everything in your car, make like 2-3 trips.
Yeah. So. This about trip number 5.
Nah, I mean, this is trip 1 for my clothes.
Right.
For the furniture, we did what, 3 trips yesterday?
Yeah.
And I still got like 2 or 3 more trips to do for my clothes.
Number that we did.
Just like that.
No, brother, hold on. Side views and thing. That's it.
I'm probably wondering, like, damn, why you got so many boxes? Why you got so many shoe boxes? I don't know. I like to keep my shoe boxes. You know what I mean? I feel like that's how you preserve your shoes.
That is how you preserve your shoes. Or some type of box.
See, like, I threw away the boxes for these and look at them. You know what I mean?
Not the Phazos.
Bezos, what up? You always gotta keep a fresh pair. Always gotta keep a fresh pair. You know what I mean?
Yeah, what that?
Yep.
Don't drop, yeah, man, just fuck up.
Your fault.
My fault?
Yeah.
You get up and fuck up.
Yeah, man, so I was gonna show you a video of us setting up the bed, but unfortunately, DJ Danger.
Nah, fuck you. That was you, bitch. That was definitely you.
DJ Danger was not doing his job.
Nah.
You know what I mean? But we got the bed set up, and then we throw the mattress on there, and then so we gotta let it blow up. But let's go. Let's take a look at it. Take a look at the little bit of setup of the room. So as you can see, got a little stuff.
Chaka.
You look 30 blue.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, it's some memory foam, you know what I mean? See that?
Proper. Welcome, Patelo.
Yeah, man. So just wait. So even in here, I'm getting a little like the shoe box thing. Them. Stack them up. You know.
Yeah, go up in the attic.
Huh?
I go up in the attic.
Oh yeah, I gotta go up there to see.
Hey! I wanna go up there.
I need to go get a ladder from the studio.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I can go get a ladder from the studio.
Get your fuck.
But yeah, the only thing that I'm missing right now is a couch.
Yeah, man. That is it. I just a couch. That's it.
It's a couch.
When I put in the couch, everything's sorted out.
Everything's good.
I want TV over there, so it's it.
It's it. Screaming kids over this.
Put up a nickel light and talk a phone and thing.
Yeah, you know, I gotta have the gotta have the LED
The strips.
So I'm gonna put those all around the house. We just came back on our second trip. You know what I mean? So and I just got a delivery for the stuff for the bathroom. You know, I'm not gonna show you too much of it yet. But yeah, went to Home Depot, bought some stuff. But yeah, let me show you what I brought for my house. Damn, you know what's crazy? Ain't no light in here. Oh.
Clothes.
All these goddamn shoes.
Yeah, shoes.
You know what I'm saying?
Some hanger and thing.
I ain't gonna lie, you phone up someone. Think they want it. You need for like, need free up someone. Subscribe, stay tuned. See you the after this and the before. No Pree. I'm out. Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for the after video. Like I said, this is the before. We gonna have the after. In the after, I'm gonna make sure I record me doing the DIY in the kitchen and the bathroom, so y'all can see that. I mean, I'll also put the links in the bio, links in the description.
YouTube. Not Instagram.
Not Instagram. That's it. But yeah, we'll put the links in the description to everything. So if you want it for your house, you can go get it yourself. You know what I mean? Like what I did with my stuff, you can do it as well. You know what I mean, everything's at a low cost, cheap